say all I dream is your eyes. Yo, shoutout guys, another tutorial, another song. So medyo mahaba ito, no? Title ito, I think they call this Love by Elliot James Ray or Ray. Di ko alam kung anong saktong pronunciation, pero mahaba tutorial. Start tayo agad guys. Intro. Diretso na tayo kasi mahaba talaga to. Baka 8 minutes to time. So, yung so, ang intro muna, no? They say so. Ang intro, so G sharp, 4th fret yan, ganyan ang F, 4th fret, then B flat, then E flat, then C minor, then F minor, so 1st fret, ganyan ang F sharp minor, 1st fret, then B, bagong verse. So play natin ulit. B flat at G sharp at B flat, G sharp, B flat, okay? Then E flat, then C minor, 6th fret niya, 6th fret, gaya ng B, 6th fret, then C minor, 3rd fret, then F minor, then B flat. Then pasok ang verse. Yan ang buong intro, nasa screen naman. Kaya nabala, hindi rin ito pang beginner kasi mga barcode kadlasan eh. Then kanta, verse. They say, so ang verse, E flat pa rin, then C minor, F minor, at B flat, twice na, twice. So yan ang verses, at ang strum ay down. So down. So yung huling down ay naka-mute, no? Down. So twice yung verse, no? Twice yung then this day you never love. Pre-chorus naman tayo. Diretso na tayo. Basta ang strum ganyan. Down. Pre-chorus. Na. Pagkita ko muna. Oh, so G. Pwede nga ito, G. Then C minor. Okay, 3rd fret. Then G ulit. Then C minor, B flat, at G sharp, 4th fret. Then B flat. No. So play natin ulit. G. Never love. Then C minor, B flat, G sharp, then B flat. So na-screen naman, nakasusunod. Binilisan natin, pero yan, play nyo, sabay niya sa audio. Tapos niyan ay chorus, diretso tayo chorus. Oh, I dream of your eyes. So parang verse chorus lang pero twice na. It tells me. So same chords ang yung unang dalawang linya, same chords ang verse, and then ito ang mga huling linya. So G sharp, B flat, then C minor, then B flat, then F. Okay? At tapos niyan ay G sharp at B flat. This God is love. So play natin ulit. Twice yan. Tells me. Twice. Then G sharp, then B flat, then C minor, B flat, then F, and then G sharp, and then B flat. That is chorus, and then back ng yung chords kayo na, yung verses. This love. So repeat lang to. So repeat. Verse kasi ang chords na ginamit after that eh. So repeat ng verse, no? Repeat after ng first chorus, verse. Repeat lang rin yung pre-chorus. Pre-chorus repeat. Dito second chorus guys, may pag-iba na konti. Bilisan na natin ha. Second chorus, play natin. Yun pa rin pero may add tayo sa last part. So, play natin. Yun pa rin. Tell me, that's me. That's me. G sharp, and F. Then B flat. Then i-add natin itong isang linya. Ito lang naman. God is love. So ang i-add lang natin E flat, C minor, G sharp, at B flat. So play natin ulit. Love, G sharp. God is called this. After that guys, yan ang second chorus. Ang inad lang natin yung apat na chord, E flat, E minor, G sharp, at B flat sa ending. Sa screen naman yan, second chorus, yan lang i-add natin. And then, pagtapos ng second chorus, change key. That's the change key. Sundan nyo lang, kopyahin nyo lang, at timing nyo sa audio yan. So, change key. So, mag-change key kagad after the second chorus. So, F, twice to. D minor, G minor, let's see. So yan ang change key after na second chorus, and then bridge. So bridge patapos change key. So play natin itong bridge after ng instrumental o change key, instrumental change key. Pakita ko muna. You and me. So B flat, bridge 2, then C, then D minor, then C, you, then G, me, then B flat, then C. So play natin ulit. Yan ang buong bridge. You and me, G, then B flat at C. So yan ang buong bridge guys. Kopyahin nyo lang yan timing sa audio. Then ending tayo, last na after this. Last na. So pakita ko muna ng chords. Last na to. Then your eyes. So twice no, F, then D minor, G minor, then C. And then B flat, and then C, then D minor, C, G. Okay, and then B flat, C, mga last na linya, G minor, so then B flat pa rin, so tatlong beses na, yung ganyan. So ulit tatlong beses, G minor, then B flat ulit, then ending this love. So F, D minor, G minor, then C. So yan ang last chorus at outro, no, ending siguro. Magugulan lang kayo dyan sa so then this love. So yun lahat guys, F, D minor, G minor, C ang ending. So yun lahat. Medyo mahaba to, siguro 9 minutes to, at medyo marami ang chords, pero isabay nyo lang sa audio ang mga chords na ginamit natin, no? Yan na lahat guys, siguro kayo na bala at isabay nyo para makuha nyo ng buo, no? Isabay nyo ang mga chords na ginamit natin, lalo na yung ending, no? Lalo na yung ending. Bye bye guys.